Hey there! If you've been curious about breaking into cybersecurity, you've probably heard the name CompTIA Security Plus tossed around. But what exactly is it? Let's break it down in a way that's clear, beginner-friendly, and actually useful for anyone thinking about starting a career in cyber. Imagine you're training to become a security guard, not for buildings, but for digital networks. CompTIA Security Plus is like your basic training. It's a globally recognized certification that proves you've got the foundational skills to protect systems from cyber threats. It's not too advanced, not too basic. It hits that sweet spot for beginners who are serious about getting started. So what do you actually learn? The Security Plus covers a wide range of topics. We're talking about network security, risk management, cryptography, identity and access control, and even some basic incident response. Think of it as the cybersecurity equivalent of learning CPR before becoming a paramedic. You won't be hacking into systems or defending against elite attackers just yet, but you'll know how to spot and stop basic threats. And that's a big deal. Now, here's the good news. In this course, we're going to cover all these topics in a very easy to understand way. No complicated jargon, no overwhelming tech speak, just clear, simple lessons that actually make sense. Whether you're just exploring cybersecurity for the first time or already planning to go for the Security Plus certification, this will be super beneficial for you. One thing that sets Security Plus apart is its vendor-neutral approach. That means you're not just learning how to secure a specific system like Windows or Cisco, you're learning concepts that apply everywhere. So whether you end up working in healthcare, finance, or a government agency, these skills transfer across the board. Let's talk about the exam itself. It's a single test, about 90 questions with a mix of multiple choice and performance-based scenarios. You get 90 minutes to finish. And yeah, it can be a bit intimidating, but will help you build up your confidence and knowledge step by step. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, the answer is yes, especially if you're just starting out. It can be your launchpad into roles like security analyst, SOC analyst, or even junior penetration tester down the line. And because cyber threats are everywhere these days, demand for certified pros is only growing.